Math Talk Series question number 45. Gagamitin natin yung solusyon ng active followers natin na si Ma'am Mary James. Thank you so much sa pag-share mo ng iyong solution. Find the GCF of 56 and 98. Gagawin natin dito, unang method is the factor 3 method. If you are familiar with this, madali lang siya. Get first the two numbers, 56 and 98. Kapag sinabing factor 3 method, kinukuha muna natin yung mga prime factors which you may start at 2 kung pwede na siyang may divide. 56 divided by 2, that's 28. And then, followed by this, 28 divided by 2, that's 14. Then, 14 divided by 2, that's 7. So, ito na siya. Ito na yung mga prime factors niya. And, ang tinatanong ay greatest common factor. Ganun lang din dito sa process na to. Kung pwedeng may divide si 98 by 2 and that will gives you 49, do it. Then, hindi na pwedeng may divide si 49 by 2. So, think of a factor na pwede pang may divide kay 2. So, ang naisip natin ay 7 and 7. That will give you also 49. Now, dito sa part na to, you're going to collect all the common prime factors. Kung mapapansin niyo, ang common prime factors natin, we have only 2. 2 and 7. 2 factors po yan. So, therefore, 2 times 7, that is equal to 14. Therefore, greatest common factor natin is 14. Yun yung sa factor 3 method. How about if we're going to use prime factors? Take note that the definition of prime, there's only 2 factors, the number itself and 1. So automatically, kunin natin yung 56, then yung prime factors niya ay 2 times 2, that's 4 times 2, 8 times 7, that is also equal to 56. Then yung 98, 7 times 7, that's 49 times 2. So meron kang 98. Ito yung common factor ng dalawa. Okay, 2. And then, yung kaparehas ulit, pwedeng si 7. Ayan, sa part na yan. Okay? So, therefore, common prime factors, we have 2 times 7 is equal to 14. Therefore, final answer din natin dito sa part na to, ang greatest common factor ay 14. We have 2 methods na ginamit dito. First is the factor 3 and followed by the prime factors. Which is which ang mas madali sa inyo? Pa-comment naman po ng inyong mga sagot and follow Math Talks for more videos. See you to the next episode.